I was sent this set of wall brackets and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. So here it goes. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. You can get all the mounting hardware. These have got some screws and some plastic retainers that can be used in drywall, and then some others that could be used in concrete. So you got lots of options here for attaching to wood, drywall, or concrete. You're going to get all the hardware needed to assemble the shelves themselves. These are going to be using an Allen bolt, and you've got the Allen wrench included here too in the kit if you don't have one. You get the instruction manual. It's pretty easy. All you're going to need is a drill to drill these into the wall, and perhaps a hammer if you're going to nail in the retaining plastic pieces. But you're basically going to set up all 4 pieces, attach them into a stud on the wall. Here are the brackets that you're going to get. You're going to notice the orange pieces are the horizontal arms, and then you've got these bases that are going to go mount right to the wall. Now, interesting, they put little stickers to indicate which way it goes up, and that's important because as these connect, you're going to use those bolts to connect each shelf like this, and then you're going to have a availability to get to this hole here, which is going to be used to attach this into the wall. So you're going to screw your screws right through here into your stud in the wall, and then you're going to have your shelf mounted like that. Now you have two more here, so you're going to have one here and then one here. So you're going to want to make sure you get this orientation correct. Look for that arrow pointing up and put that on the side here on the right side for the shelves. So make everything line up just right. You'll have availability to put this bolt in here as needed, and then also ability to get to this screw here at the very end by just rotating that up. And you can just put that bottom screw in right there. So these things are great because they have a lot of strength, and you've got enough of them going across to hold all kinds of different sizes of boards, of anything you need to store in your garage. So let's get this installed in my storage shed and see how they work. So there you have it. Very handy set of rails that you can stack all kinds of different objects here. I've got some pipe, I've got some PVC, some baseboard wood molding, 2x4s, all kinds of different objects that, you know, this holds a lot of weight, 330 pounds for each stack here. So if you're dispersing that weight across 4 of them, you can carry a lot of wood, a lot of lumber, and it gets your extra supplies up and out of the way, so you can have more storage space in an area like this. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.